Hello all. Today in this presentation, I am going to discuss with you the types and the benefits of portfolio management. Types of portfolio management includes active portfolio management, passive portfolio management, discretionary portfolio management and non-discretionary portfolio management. While talking about active portfolio management, it means that the management in which the purchase and sale of securities can be done on regular intervals and frequently the trading can be done so that the returns of the investor can be maximized. On other hand, the passive portfolio management is just the contrast of active portfolio management because in this the portfolio manager only deals with the fixed portfolio. Under this category, the purchase and sale will not be done on regular basis. Under discretionary portfolio management services, the investor will give full authority to the portfolio managers to take the decision on his behalf. The decision can be taken regarding the investment of funds, regarding the purchase and sale of securities, everything. So investor basically hand over his money to the portfolio managers and the later will take all the decisions, will perform all the functions, will perform all the activities related to paperwork or documentations associated with the securities. While non-discretionary portfolio management services includes that the portfolio manager will only guide the investor. Rather, all the decisions, all the powers are vested with the investor. Means investor will have not given any power to the portfolio manager in this case as it is given in case of discretionary portfolio management. So everything, every work is to be done by investor himself just for the purpose of taking advice or guidance. The help of portfolio manager can be taken. Every organization must have some goals to achieve and the management must formulate the strategies to achieve those goals. So the duty of project management is to ensure that the strategies are properly implemented so that the goals can be achieved in an efficient manner. So that's why it is truly said that it is need of an hour, and while keeping this point in mind, the few benefits of portfolio management are listed below. The first advantage of portfolio management is that it helps in providing the appropriate agenda so that the strength and the weakness of the business can be properly revealed. Second point is that it has better compliance towards change. Means whenever some change took place in the market, then the portfolio manager will advise the investors to change their portfolio also by selling the securities which are giving them low returns and by including those securities in the portfolio which give them better return with less amount of risk. In the process of portfolio management, the portfolios are frequently evaluated on the basis of which the proper scrutiny of the processes will take place, and ultimately this will lead to increase in returns of the portfolio which will ultimately provide benefit to the investor. Another point is proper quantification of data. So this point states that the portfolio manager is under an obligation to carefully analyze the financial requirements of the investor and then invest the fund in the desired securities. So this will help in reduction in the expenditures that took place while formulating the portfolio. This will also lead to consistent, precise and improved quality of data throughout the enterprise and ultimately providing benefits to the enterprise as a whole. While formulating the portfolios, if there are some kind of redundant or irrelevant information, that can also be eliminated with the help of portfolio management. That this kind of information will lead to inefficiency in results. So if this information is removed at the earlier stage, then ultimately the results can be improved. As I have already discussed with you, the strategies are formulated to achieve the goals. So portfolio management will also help in concentrating on those strategies so that the objectives can be achieved. The investors can also get the benefit of competitive advantage with the help of this portfolio management. As we have already discussed that the portfolio management includes the process of diversification which help in increasing as well as stabilizing the returns of the investor. So it can never be considered as a detrimental factor. So we can confidently say this thing that it will not provide any kind of harm to the business. The last advantage of portfolio management is that it helps in identifying and maintaining the appropriate stock levels. Means the exact proportion, or we can say the appropriate proportion of stocks is easily evaluated with the help of portfolio management. So this is all about the types and benefits of portfolio management. Hope the topic is clear to you. See you soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning.